Here's a remote start alarm installed on a GMC Yukon body style 2007 to 2013. Here's the Viper remote start. Lock, unlock. Open up the back glass on this vehicle, remote start. Flashing lights, honking horn, siren. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it'll fire off the alarm system. Here is the alarm that was installed. Two-way pager. Now I'm going to unlock the door. There you were able to see that the pager notified us that the door had been opened. Now we remote start the vehicle. Lights flash, engine cranks, keys are right here. There's no one sitting inside. Remote start alarm, Viper, pager, available here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.